There are moments when a simple comeback turns into a powerful statement. And Kim Chiu's return as the face of HAIRFIX is exactly that kind of moment. In a world where beauty campaigns come and go, few leave a mark that truly speaks to the heart. Yet this time, Kim doesn't just appear on screen. She owns it. Every movement, every smile, every glance captures the story of a woman who's learned, evolved, and continues to inspire millions. To the world, you may be one person. But to one person, you are the world. That quote describes exactly how her fans feel right now. For them, Kim is more than a celebrity. She's hope, strength, and resilience rolled into one radiant presence. When she first partnered with HAIRFIX, she set a new standard of authenticity and beauty. But this comeback? It's something deeper. It's a quiet roar, a message of rebirth, confidence and grace after the storms of life. Behind the glamour lies a story of challenges, lessons, and unstoppable faith in herself. And this is what makes her return so powerful. As the camera pans through the commercial, you can't help but notice how Kim glows differently. It's not just her hair shining under the lights. It's her energy, her spirit, her renewed purpose. She's the woman who's been through so much, yet still manages to stand taller, smile brighter, and keep inspiring those who believe in her. Every frame seems to whisper a message. You can fall, but you can rise even stronger. You can lose yourself, but you can always find your way back, more confident, more beautiful, and more fearless than ever. The comeback isn't just about endorsing a brand. It's about redefining what it means to feel beautiful. Kim's aura speaks to everyone who's ever doubted themselves, everyone who's ever needed a reminder that strength and beauty go hand in hand. So as this new HAIRFIX campaign takes the internet by storm, one thing becomes clear. This is not just another ad. It's a love letter to growth, self-care, and the journey of becoming your best self. Kim Chiu's HAIRFIX. Comeback is more than what meets the eye. It's a story you'll feel deep within. Watch closely, listen carefully, because behind every strand that shines, behind every smile she gives, there's a silent victory, and a reminder that even in a crowded world, one person can still be the world to many.